Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me SAMSUNG Galaxy Flip5 device, and I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port using household items. So firstly, if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off. And here inside the port, as you can see, I have the dirt, and to clean it, I suggest to use an old toothbrush. So it's not must be toothbrush, but you need to remember the one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector, so as not to damage your USB charging port and the moisture protection. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush, which I no longer use. So firstly, insert the one part of the brush to the connector, and then just gently pry the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.